Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions. In this video, we're going to show you how to core tap concrete to install a drainage pipe. Let's go ahead and get started. The piece of equipment that we're going to be using to do this is called a core drill. Basically, this drill has the power to easily cut through thick concrete. Now, on the end of this drill is a coring bit, which is basically just a large hole saw made to cut through extra thick concrete. So the trick with using this drill, once you know where you want your hole, is you need to go slow with it. If you start pushing too hard, the drill will get caught and it will have a kickback and could potentially break your wrist. So you want to go slow with this drill and be ready to let off the trigger if you start feeling it get stuck in the concrete. Slow is key with using this drill. Now, on this particular job, we're installing SDR35 PVC pipe, and there's going to be one downspout drain connected to this. Now, at the end of this video, stay tuned because there is rain footage of this that the client provided, and it was during a heavy rain event. This 4-inch pipe was almost getting overwhelmed with water off of just one downspout. This is why it's very important whenever you're designing your system, at least here in Florida, you want to make sure that you're using the right pipe depending on how many drains that you're going to have connected to that system. Now, as you can see here, we're having to use a hacksaw to cut the rest of this pipe. Unfortunately, our batteries ran out on this job and we did not have the charger with us. So you definitely do not want to make that mistake whenever you're installing drainage pipe. But luckily, we only had a couple more cuts to go, so we just used the hacksaw and did it the old school way. Once we have all of our pipe cut, we're going to go ahead and dry fit the pieces together and mark them with a Sharpie. As you can see, we do this so that we know we have the correct angles when we go to solvent weld these pipes together into the fittings. If you need drainage work in the Tampa Bay area, whether it's residential or commercial, give Stormwater Drainage Solutions a call at 813-614-3456. We got you covered. Now, the very last thing, we had to also repipe in this water line here because this water line feeds a spigot that is on the dock where the boat is parked. Now, as you can see, we finish it off with hydraulic cement to go ahead and seal in that hole. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. And until next time, this is SWDS signing off.